Previs Pro in 60 seconds or less. Let's go. Start by creating a new scene. Choose a custom floor. We'll choose grass. Set a time of day. We'll go for around sunset. Let's put a giraffe in the scene by adding a prop. Previs Pro has a giraffe, but let's try the Create Custom feature for a bit of a giraffe upgrade. Giraffe running. That looks nice. Let's resize the giraffe. Since we're doing a drone shot, let's turn our default camera into a drone. Position it in the air and rotate. Now let's create a small herd by duplicating the giraffe. Still got time? Let's add some foliage. Duplicate and spread it around. You know what? Let's add a lion to the mix. Check this out. We're gonna add a dog prop to the scene. Resize it to lion size. Once you have your shot set up, let's go into post mode and use touch up to turn that dog into a lion. Brush over the dog's head, enter your prompt, and boom, your dog's a lion. Give these features a try and storyboard fast in Previs Pro.